Hello everyone. It's a rainy Sunday and I'm outside in the forest and I just found a very old tree. I think I walked by this place many times, but today is the first time I recognize this tree. And it's very old and huge. And so I went to this tree. It's raining, but under the tree it's like no raindrop is falling down on me, and I just felt the frequency and vibration of this tree, and then I felt the need to do a forgiveness practice with this tree, and it was so beautiful, and I really felt I need to share this and want to do this again with all of you, so maybe it might inspire you to do the same when you're out in nature or wherever you are, wherever you go. To apply forgiveness is always such a beautiful thing. So I want to share with you and repeat the forgiveness practice I just did with the tree and with all the trees. So, dear the soul of this tree, and dear the soul of all the trees and plants, I love you. I honor you and I appreciate you so deeply. I thank you so much for your love and your service and your wisdom that you share. I thank you so much for providing us with oxygen and so much more. From the bottom of my heart, I sincerely ask you for forgiveness for all of my mistakes. If I have ever hurt or harmed you, or if I have ever hurt or harmed any tree, plant, or animal, or any other living and sentient being, I deeply apologize. Please forgive me. And I also want to ask for forgiveness on behalf of humanity. Please forgive humanity. Please forgive the human race all our mistakes. I know we hurt you so much, but we are not awakened enough, so please forgive us. Please help us to fully awaken to the truth that we are all one and that we belong together, that we depend on each other. I am so grateful. Thank you. Thank you, thank you. And I want to invite all of humanity, the soul of all humanity and all souls, all the trees, the plants, the animals, and all living and sentient beings. I want to invite Mother Earth, the sun and the moon, and all the countless stars, planets, galaxies, and universes. I love you. I honor you and I appreciate you. Please come and join me in chanting love, peace, and harmony, so that we all open our hearts and souls further, so that we all awaken further to the oneness that we are. Thank you, thank you, thank you. So I will chant love, peace, harmony, and You can chant with me and visualize a light in your heart. Visualize light on Mother Earth and the trees and the plants, the animals, and all the human beings. Lula, lula, li. Lula, lula, la, li. Lula, lula, li, lula. Lula, li, lula. Lula, li, lula. I love my heart and soul. I love all humanity. Join hearts and souls together. Love, peace and harmony. Love, peace and harmony. Ich liebe mein Herz und meine Seele. Ich liebe die ganze Menschheit. Vereinet Herzen und Seelen. Liebe, Frieden und Harmonie. Liebe, Frieden und Harmonie. Lula, lula, li. Lula, lula, la, li. Lula, lula, li, lula. Lula, li, lula. Lula, li, lula. I love my heart and soul. I love all humanity. Join hearts and souls together. Love, peace and harmony. Love, peace and harmony. Ich liebe mein Herz und meine Seele. Ich liebe die ganze Menschheit. Vereinet Herzen und Seelen. Liebe, Frieden und Harmonie. Liebe, Frieden und Harmonie. Lula, lula, li. Lula, lula, la, li. Lula, lula, li, lula. Lula, li, lula. Lula, li, lula. I really felt a deep and beautiful connection with the tree and a lot of gratitude from the trees and a lot of light. I felt so blessed from the tree. So I'm grateful I could share this moment with you. Let's continue to chant love, peace, harmony as much as we can. I'm sending all of you my greatest love. And let's close this by saying how, thank you, thank you, thank you. We love you, we love you, we love you. Gong song, gong song, gong song. Have a beautiful rest of the day. Bye bye.